Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This particular video is a quick assignment session. What I'm planning to do is giving you next set of assignments for the coming weeks, and now what we are doing is making the assignments much more flexible so that you can introduce your own taste, your own personality, your own likes and dislikes into the assignment. So this time what we are going to do is design any digital product. What I mean by digital product is essentially a software. Whatever software that you are using or you have used, whether it's mobile application or whether it's desktop application or any kind of application, any kind of small or big software which you have been using for very long time and you think that you can improve that software, there are certain features which are lacking, which are missing. I want you to build those features and present it in a way that it looks like you have done some research into it, you have checked certain existing products, and then you came up with some solutions in terms of features, in terms of the way product is shown to you, product is interacted, product is used. Okay, so this is the assignment, and to give you a direction, what you can start with is using a Google product. What I mean by Google product is any Google application like Gmail, Google Maps, Google Calendar, Google Books, or Google YouTube, or Google Play Music, or anything which is built by Google. Why I am choosing Google products is because that will give you a very good idea about users, very good idea about how millions of people interact with the product and how they use it. If you choose a product which is very domain specific, that is also fine, as long as you can do some user study around the product and try to understand what other people think about the product. Like, you can try redesigning Facebook, you can try redesigning the WhatsApp Messenger, or any product that a lot of people use, and share it on the group and present it as a project or report, and let other people have comments, opinions and suggestions about the features or about the new UI that you are suggesting. Okay, this is one part of the assignment, especially for digital products. If you are not into digital domain, let's say you are applying for furniture design or interior design or retail design or car design, then or product design, then I would say build a product which is around that industry. What I mean by product design is, or what I mean by 3D design is anything, any simple thing like how to design a watch strap. So a watch like this has a two-way mechanism, right? I cannot wear this watch with just one hand. I have to fix it in my one hand and then do that latching thing with this other hand, right? So if I am not willing to use my both hands and there is some accident or there is some issue in which my other hand is busy and not functional, then what is the scenario, what is the solution for that, and how can you simplify the watch wearing experience? So think on the similar lines. Let's say you are working for applying for interior design. So can you design a space for a 10-year-old or a 15-year-old or a 60-year-old? Now what will be the challenges if that person is 60-year-old? Let's say he is suffering with some back pain or knee injury or anything like that. He is not able to walk freely, right? Or he cannot lift a lot of weight. So how will you design an interior space for a person who is 60 plus and kind of old and not very energetic, having some body movement restrictions and having some challenges of movement? So think on these lines and design a product. Why I am giving you these exercises? Because these exercises will help you think from a broader perspective, and at the same time, if you come up with a nice solution, you can present it in the portfolio. Okay, if you are an undergrad, if you are applying for BDES, it's still doable, it's still good for you, because eventually you are getting into the same domain and industry, and sooner or later you will have to build that thinking to think from a user's perspective, right? So you can also attempt these assignments. Don't think too much branch specific. As of now, do as you feel like, whatever products, whatever digital tools, or whatever that you think can be enhanced, can be improved in terms of features and quality and experience and ideation. Put your ideas on paper and share it on the group. Okay. Another reason I am giving you these assignments is because I want you to stop focusing more on the portraits and paintings and those sort of things. Those are artistic things, not much related to design as such. Good for your skill development and sketching practice, but not really helpful in terms of the portfolio part. And a lot of students will be doing the same, Batman, Superman, and some beautiful girl portraits and those things and landscapes. So I want you to stand out of the crowd and look much more mature as a designer. So that's why these assignments, and take these assignments with a lot of sincerity and focus and dedication, and this will eventually help you build your portfolio. So till then, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.